Hey y'all, I'm back again with another hair tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how I do my low ponytail. Usually when I do this, I either wear it, with or without the hat. But this is a hairstyle that I definitely mostly all the time wear with the hat. But yeah, this is just how I do it. And I'm not going to talk for long. I'm just going to let you sit here and enjoy the video. If you haven't already, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and if you want to follow me on social medias, they will be in the description box below. Have a great night, day, whenever you're watching this, and stay tuned for more. And if you haven't already, go check out the other videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!